gonna help me with this video? You wanna be in the video too? Okay, that's good. Okay, we'll do then. Hey everyone! So today we are going to start the year off right. We are going to create our vision board or dream board, whatever you want to call it, board. And to get into like what it is that we're really doing, what it's really all about is making your dreams and goals come true, manifesting and bringing them into existence by focusing and keeping this definitely posted somewhere where you can see it daily to constantly remind you like we have to get these things accomplished or make it real. And one thing to know, if you don't work, these dreams don't work. So it's not that we're going to slap these things on a board and it's going to magically come true or happen. No. We have to work. And this will remind us and keep us focused to work. And if you want to know how this works and why it works so well, you can check out these books: Law of Attraction, The Power, As a Man Thinketh. Most people are familiar with The Secret, but I digress. It's super exciting because we definitely want to have our focus in the right direction and definitely accomplish and make all of our dreams and goals come true. And we're going to start by composing and getting our ideas, our dreams, our goals down on this board. So let's get started. Sophie, now you want to be in the video too? You want a cameo too? Sophie and Luna, my sidekicks for this project. You're not being really helpful though, because you're on top of the board and this is what I need to work on top of. You guys do know that, right? Cats be cats. So, let's go over the things you're going to need. You're going to need a board, and I got this from like the Dollar Tree, so it was only $1. I'm sure you guys have a pair of scissors, but I mean, like, you could also get that at the dollar store too. Note, I do not know how sharp or how well those things will cut because it's $1. So, but if you want to save money, you could do that too. Definitely an envelope moister or tape or glue, whatever you have handy around the house. Or if you don't have one, like I said, you could just go to the dollar store or Family Dollar, whatever dollar store you have, or any store that will sell any of these items. You're going to need that for this. Okay, so note this, that I totally take back what I said about using the envelope moistener. That didn't stick very well, I guess, with the thickness of the photos. It might really work well with if you're doing magazine clippings, if you have like a whole bunch of magazines around, or if you have access at work, gathering magazines that you can get for free if you want to do that run or that mission. But this I got from the dollar store, and this worked really well for the photos if you're using the photo option of your goals and ideas to get on your vision board, dream board. This works super well, and kudos to the dollar store. Love you. And also too, I'm a little extra, and typically people are like, oh, get a whiteboard. I mean, like, get a colored board because it will fill in the gaps and make it look pretty and more. It will probably make you want to look at it more since it looks good, right? And when I first did my first board, I used magazine clippings. That's fun, but that can get pretty pricey because you got to go out there and buy the magazines or have a subscription. You can also go online. So this time I went online and found pictures on like Google Images of the things that I wanted to accomplish. And then I went to like CVS, or you can go to any place that prints pictures. And let's see, I have the receipt here, thankfully. And these pictures are 4x6, and I spent, I want to say like less than $1 per print, maybe like 40 cents or something. Because my total came out to just 4 pictures was $1.65. But you get it's really cheap. So, and I've got all these So without further ado, let's get this project started already. So you're going to divide out your pictures, photos into categories. You got the year, like your core statement, or like the focus or main idea going on here, like health goals or fitness goals, relationship goals, and like your career type goals or finance goals, and then like travel goals, bucket list goals type of category over here. And then obviously I got like a lot of pictures in all those categories. And when we get to shaping, and I'm going to cut these up, this is going to fill a lot of these little gaps. So let's keep on moving. By the way, this is the reference I'm using to create 2020's vision board. Compliments of Pinterest. So, for the big finale, once you've got everything positioned the way you want to and you finally get the type of glue or adhesive to work, your vision board will look a little something like this. Ooh, ooh la la. This looks freaking fantastic. And so let me break it down. Well, this, these are my things, my visions, my dreams, my goals. Definitely want to get better in shape and better my health. And J-Lo is on here because I've always loved her. She's phenomenal. And the fact that of her glorious age, you can still look like a model. Oh, she looks so good. She's got that definition, and she just like really gave me hope that you can look good and fantastic at any age in your life. There's no reason not like that you couldn't achieve it. Definitely believe it. If she could do it, you can definitely do it. Sophie, are you going to explain the vision board? Okay. So here, I definitely want to continue just doing my own self-development, just reading more books. And this is also, I just liked how it's like positive thinking, just things to keep in mind, setting your goals, and you can see and read right there. But that was just an awesome reminder on top of that. So double meaning, and I'm working hard to achieve this glorious plaque beauty. Can't wait to achieve this and have this hanging on my wall. Oh, I know it's coming because I'm working on it. Hey, and definitely more travels to come, and you'll see all those adventures. Definitely got to do more European travel, or just over in that area. And I can't wait to see like all these like monuments and like world wonders. That's definitely on my bucket list. Love traveling. Could have probably had a passport picture, but whatever. I can always, if this isn't always like set in stone, I obviously have more room to add onto this, but I guess you'll probably see that I'll add a little bit more to this as time goes on. But this is a good start. Investing. Want to up my game in my investments. It's always a plus. Definitely, honing in and building my brand, making sure I am maximizing like all these categories, and what my focus is: build, and definitely want to hit that plateau, reach that level, working on it. Yes. I am attracting that to me. Definitely want to build my real estate portfolio, so get more involved in my real estate projects that I have on my to-do list. Dream home. And if you know the person that lives here, or maybe if you see this video and you live here, just know, if you ever want to sell, I'm your girl. I am like a guaranteed buyer. It's so gorgeous. And then definitely love affirmations. I'm always attracting abundance. I thought that was really nice for this year to set the tone. And me and my hubby, we still have yet to do the big reception. So we're working on saving up for that, because that ain't cheap. Oh my God. Just robbery. The cost of love and fun. You know, partying it up with all our friends and family. That's coming soon. And you guys, I can't wait to share those moments with you too, because my motto is go big or go home. And that party is gonna be a blast. Like Diddy style. And Sophie, can you move out the way, girl? Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. Thank you. Come on. Just move on over. Okay. You can sit. And then just more like self-development. Just areas to focus on. I like the numbers. I don't know whatever happened to the number 1, but you get the point. Just having that self-awareness. Always, you know, keep your mind open. And just always, I mean, like, we are so, and I mean, there's so many things that we still have yet to discover about ourselves, and that's going to take time. And so I'm looking forward to discovering more about myself, and then understanding, and then just always just having that love. We're so harsh on ourselves, and the world can be even harsher, but we have to have that love for ourselves. And transformation. I mean, I'm not the same person that I was yesterday. I'm always about continuing to grow. And if you knew me back when, I'm probably a completely different stranger to you now, because I'm all about growth. And self-mastery is key. I mean, once you become a master, I mean, like, there's no shaking your game. I mean, like, you did it. That's the pinnacle stage where it just everything falls into place and it's like worth it. Thank you, Sophie. Don't mind my mess. I'm still organizing and getting myself together from the move. Who do we have here? Who's that peeking in your window? Ow. Lola? You wanted to... Oh, everybody wants to be a part of the video, huh? You want your cameo too? Gorgeous. So... that is the vision board. So I'm about to just go hang this up somewhere for all to see, and for definitely for me to see, and have a reminder that let's get it done. Let's accomplish this year. So comment below if you liked what you see, or you know, or are you gonna do your own vision board, or when you're gonna get it done, or things that you're gonna add to your vision board. I mean, like, sharing the dream, sharing is caring. So definitely love to hear about your dreams and aspirations, so we can always root each other on and hold each other, you know, us accountable, so that we do achieve those things and just be even that more happier that we can achieve and we can get those goals. So until next time, hugs and love. Bye, you guys. Oh, where are you going? You're going to be a part of this video. Okay. If you like what you saw, like, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more notifications. And this is brought to you by Sophie. Sophie endorses this message. Don't you, Sophie? Yes, you do.